What is the history or origin of the idiom saved by the bell? I have explained the meaning of the idiom saved by the bell in my 100 idioms explained video. Its meaning: being saved from a difficult situation at the last moment, often by an interruption or timely intervention. There are two reported origins of the idiom saved by the bell. Reason 1. In the olden days, when the medical science hadn't advanced much, many people were mistakenly buried alive in their graves. When a person got ill or got injured and somewhat stopped responding, people thought they were dead. Sometimes it was difficult to make out whether the person was breathing or not. Thinking that the person was dead, the relatives would bury them. When they screamed and kicked from the inside, by chance someone would hear. The grave would be dug and the person would be saved. It was discovered that the lids of many coffins, due to whatever reason, when dug out and opened, bore scratch marks indicating that the person had tried to open it from the inside before dying. It was then that the custom of tying a bell on the foot or the arm of the dead person was started. A hole was made in the coffin through which a rope was tied to a bell, dangled from a pole near the grave. When the person inside the grave shook their arms and legs, the bell would ring and people would know that the person was alive. This way, the person was saved by the bell. Reason 2. The reason is quite simple. When boxing match was going on, when the referee thought that an opponent was fully beaten and was about to be completely knocked out, he would ring the bell and bring the match to an end. So the person who was about to be knocked out was saved by the bell. I hope this video was interesting. For more such videos, please click the bell icon, like the video, or subscribe to my channel so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.